Hey coding owls, welcome back to my channel. This video we are going to understand how to make a JSON object using the constructors of JSON. So basically there are three ways of making a JSON. First is create an object with the basic like no parameter constructor and just use the put method. Second would be by making use of a JSON string, and third would be by making use of a map. So let's begin with the first one. So I am going to do what? Write a simple class, make a JSON, and we are going to at least try two methods inside this. So let me quickly just
save it, and this will be stored. Okay, so I'm going to just make a file
JSON.java, and here I am. So now what I'm going to do is simply say public static void main string array args, and how about just I create an object of JSON object obj is equal to new JSON object. So it's a simple object, and what I'm going to do now, obj.put. Now put requires you to pass a key, so I'm going to say name comma code. Okay, so what I'm going to say, code with z obj.put, and I'm going to say author, so I'm going to put up my own name, so I'm going to say Zartab Nakhwa, and then I'm going to say obj.put URL, and now I'm going to say what, www.codewithz.com. and after I'm done with this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just print it. So let's say string JSON string is equal to obj.toString method. So you can see there is a method in object which is going to now convert this into a JSON object, and now I'm going to do what, I'm just going to print this JSON string. So quickly let me save it. Let me start my terminal here. Okay, I'll shift it to my location. Now the thing is, if you haven't done this, if you haven't yet imported the files, you'll have to make it. You can see how to set the jar file in the class path, unless it is not going to catch up. So I'm going to say java c make a json.java. Okay, yeah, my mistake, I haven't imported JSON, so I'm going to say import org.json.star. First mistake, I should have actually imported the library, saved it, and now when I execute this, you can see what will I find. So can you see now, author Zartab, name code with z, URL. Now this is basically inside a single line. If I want to indent it, or if I want to put it in a more beautification way, there is an overloaded method which allows me to pass an indentation here. So I'm going to just save it, and now let me quickly clear the screen and say java c make a json.java, and now I'm going to say java make a JSON and run it. So now you can see it is basically making using of an indentation using a tab and enter. So this way I've just created a simple JSON using nothing but a simple object and the put methods. Now let's try the second way, that is by making use of a Java string. So how will I do that? I'm going to basically create another JSON object. So I'll clear up two things here: how to use another JSON object inside your own object. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say string address string is equal to, let's say, I'm going to say street colon xyz lane colon 5 building colon let's say ABC complex, and complex, and let's say now landmark colon near bus stop. So what will happen now, I have created a string simple string, and now I'm going to do what? JSON object address JSON is equal to new JSON object, and if I pass the address string here, so there is a constructor of JSON object which is going to take up this JSON string and convert it into an object. So I have now what I'll do is I will just say obj dot add address comma address JSON. So you can see now address JSON is added, and now if I print, if I just make the changes here, so if let me do a CLS Java C make a JSON.java. Okay, it says cannot find symbol. Okay, sorry, my bad, I should have said put. And now CLS Java make a JSON.java, and now you can see my object actually contain an address which is internally being having its own value and then the author. And now you can see the things I have added here. Yeah, the things I have added here, that is an address string and a lane is nothing but a simple JSON object. Now the next thing what we are going to do is I want to add a list of phone numbers here. So how will I do that? I'll do what? I can actually make use of list class here. So import java.util.star, and I'm going to quickly say after the address adding, yeah, I'm going to say list of string phone numbers, sorry, is equal to new, let's say, array list of string, and I'm going to say phone numbers dot add 123-456-789. So let's say that is my first phone number. Second is going to be phone numbers dot add, and I'm going to say 987-654-321. So let's say I've got two numbers now, and I'm going to do what? obj dot put. So remember, when you add into the JSON object, it is going to be put. So it will say now phone numbers comma phone numbers. So this way I have added it. Now I'll just make a small change here. Java C make a JSON.java. Now I have got Java space make a JSON, and now you can see I have got the object inside my JSON. I have got the author, and I have also got an array now. So this is how we create a JSON object using a JSON object class. I have shown you how to create a simple JSON object, use the put method, how to add the values inside JSON as an array, how to add another JSON object inside this. So thanks a lot for watching this video. You can find the source code at the link given in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe.